Hello everyone, in this video we will install Python. For that I am in my browser right now. I will search for Python downloads. And the first option will be www.python.org. From this website we will install Python. So let's go to this website. And you will be shown the latest version. For me it is this one, but for you it may be something else. It doesn't matter. Just click on the latest version to download. Now see, it is getting downloaded. Let's meet after the download. The download has finished. I will run this exe file. Give both these as tick and click on this install now option. It will install. Let's meet after the installation. We are done with the setup. Close this. Now open command prompt or PowerShell. I am opening command prompt and give this command to check your Python version. Python -version. It is showing us Python and the version 3.13.7. So we have got Python successfully installed in our machine. Now let's just run a Python program. I will print hello world. Now I will run it through this command, Python, and the name of my file, main.py. We have run our program. You can run your program like this. I am just here to tell you one thing now. You can use VS Code or any other software to develop Python programs. But when you install Python from the website, you also get their software, which is an IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Let me show you that. Here I will search for IDLE and I will get this app. Click on it. And here we are. Let me enlarge it. This is the app. So this is the script mode. Let me show you a demo. 3 plus 3. It gives instant results. Here we have got 6. And we can also develop full Python programs. From here, click new file. And this is where we can do our Python programming as we are used to. Thank you for watching the video.